Good evening.
Good evening.
Tonight we're going to be staying in Newcastle's newest 5-star hotel.
Yes, and it used to be the police and fire station until 2014 when the police moved to 4th Street. The fire station building itself was built in roughly 1931 and 1933, and it was designed by Crockett Burns, Dick and McKellar. And there's been a police station on this site since 1840, and this one here was the third one. So we'll go in and have a look around.
Going up. Doors closing. Doors opening. First floor.
We are in 110. You can smell the newness.
Look at all the features, doesn't it? On the wall.
Yes, Robert Stevenson's suite. There's our room. And I'll show you into the bathroom. The bathroom, toilet, nice and clean. Sink, mirror with a light round. There's the other gown and slippers, towels. Shower, there's a nice size shower. Nice big shower head.
Absolutely spotless.
You can tell it's brand new. It's absolutely brilliant. I think these are something to do with a fire station. Must admit the aesthetics of the room are very pleasing. It's like old, as you see with the pictures, not the very 1920s. Yeah, very pleasing. We have upgraded to an executive double room. It is very nice. Lay bed check.
Yep, can do. Very comfortable.
Pillows
Soft
are nice.
pillows. Really, really soft. Yes.
We really like the hotel, what we've seen so far. It cost £172, but that includes an exquisite breakfast, which we'll see in the morning.
And we will let you know how that turns out.
And we have been upgraded from a comfy double room to an executive double room.
As you can see, when you've had a look around, it's absolutely immaculate.
You can tell it's brand new. It's absolutely amazing. It's spotless. There's no dust anywhere.
You know, you can't smell the newness in the room and you walk
Yeah.
through and everything is just Fantastic.
Now sitting in the fireball, which is part of the Gotham Hotel complex, and it's basically where the fire engines used to be parked. People waiting to get the emergency calls. Where I'm sitting now is right next to where the doors would have been. Sticking with a fire station. There's some of the that's served. Do no colours in there. Right, we're gonna test the bed out, see what it's like. So we'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night.
Morning.
Morning.
How do you sleep?
Bed's a little bit soft otherwise. I had an alright sleep.
Yeah, I slept right through. Had a good sleep. Right, we can get ready and we'll go and see what this breakfast's like. It smells nice. And that was our breakfast. I couldn't really film down there because give people some privacy. But with nice breakfast, well done. Tasted nice. There's plenty of choice. I suppose if you really want to pick out, you could have contact, but you know, we're not here for that. What did you think of the hotel?
The hotel it's really well done. It's absolutely nice inside. I'd recommend it for people to come and try it themselves and see what they think. And the breakfast, it was really amazing.
Yeah, I enjoyed the breakfast. You'd be surprised, we're actually facing onto the main road, never heard a thing all night. Hit the pillar, was out for the count, so had a good night's sleep. I love the little intricate bits like the old-fashioned radio over there.
And the little chest they've got down in the
chest
corner.
that we've got. And you can tell it's only been open since September last year. You can tell it's virtually brand new, everything, so it'd be interesting to see, come back in a few years and see what it's like. But can it knock the staff? They're really helpful. everything's spotlessly clean, so
You can smell the newness still in the areas when you're walking around. You can still smell it all.
yeah, they've done a really top-class job on it. If you like this sort of video,
Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up.
and hit that notification bell for future videos.